How to fix Instagram video selfie verification not working. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is simply move into the App Store on a device. Once you're inside the App Store, in the address bar, you need to search for Instagram. Click on Instagram right here. You can see the option of update, click on it. Most of the time, updating the application has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. If not, move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to general, and then move into iPhone storage. Search for the application Instagram and then click on it. Once you're in this page, tap on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing on Instagram, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.